ここは京都大学の吉田山キャンパスです。マルコム先生の部屋に来てます。Okay? Yeah, please explain.
Okay, so
What's this? What's this? This is a brochure.
This is a brochure. It's from the Japan Bear Network. They produced this last year, 2010. And there's some new information here on bears in Japan. And you can see that there are two types of bears. There's the higuma, which is found in Hokkaido. And in this map of Hokkaido, you can see that there are 3 different types of higuma. 3 different populations of higuma. The ones in the east of Hokkaido are thought to be related to the ones in Alaska. The ones in the west of Hokkaido are thought to be related to the bears of Tibet, which is very interesting. Tibet. Also, in Hokkaido, there are 2 very small populations, these ones here, which are genetically different from the others. So it's important to preserve the genetic variability in that Hokkaido population. In Honshu and Shikoku, the other type of bear, this one here, the Japanese black bear, Tsukinowakuma. And the main population is here in central and northern Japan. But there are 4 small populations in the west. The one in Shikoku, which is very small, the one in the Kii Peninsula, one in West Chugoku, one in East Chugoku. And these are all genetically distinct populations. So it's very important to try to preserve these populations to give genetic variability. Because if you have genetic variability, then there's a better chance that the population of bears will survive in the future. There's also one other very small population up here. It's isolated. It's up in the northern part of Aomori Ken, but it's separated by a peninsula. A peninsula up here.
Shimokita Hanto.
Yeah, Shimokita. Yes, that's right. So this is a nice little brochure from the Japan Bear Network. It's available on their website. It's also available in Japanese and English. Some information about bears in the different seasons, and some information here about conservation of bears and Q Ondanka and so on. So they did a very nice job. Here it is.
So for what they make this brochure?
I think they made it to celebrate COP10.
Celebrating COP10.
Yeah,
Or they might delivering it at the Shirotoko Peninsula, is it? No?
It could be, yes. Maybe they will be there at this meeting in Hokkaido. But many NGOs produced special documents last year because of COP10 in Nagoya.
They could get funds from Japanese government.
Yeah, that's right. There was, in this case, I think they got funds from a company. And here's the website, japanbear.org. Very easy to find. www.japanbear.org.
Japanbear.org.
Yeah, and you can download this document.
Nihon Kuma Network.
Yeah.
Japan Bear Network.
Japan Bear Network. Yeah. Very nice. So this has some new information, which I was very happy to receive last week.
You met her,
Yeah. Well, actually, she's the editor is in Kanto, but I talked to her by email. And she was very much involved in a bear group in Matsumoto.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
どうもこんにちは。はい、別にどうぞ。